Well, what do we have here right in my hands? Let me see what happens when we open up this box. Oh, there they are. That's right, boys and girls. We're reviewing the Jordan 4 Red Cements, and we got them early. We had the sneakers shock drop. Thankfully, we saw it. We had to go down. We had a lot of you guys in the live stream, so thank you guys for being there. It was a lot of fun. Congrats to everybody that did grab these pairs. Unfortunately, I didn't get them in size, but I do have a GS size. So we are going to completely review a GS size in today's video, as it shouldn't be much different. Quality may differ a little bit, because we know GS sizes aren't always the same quality, but they're going to be almost spot on. And one thing I already love about it is we're getting this nice splattered box, even with the GS sizing, that we have the flight across the front, and we have the Jordan symbol here. Now, this is what the label should look like on yours. These are coming straight from Nike. Take a screenshot of that if you want to. I got it in there nice and close, so that's what it does look like. Now, when you do open the box, we do have this cool red coloring on the inside, and we do have this splattered paint on the paper itself. Now, let's go ahead and grab these and look at them a little bit closer. Before we get into this review, guys, don't forget, one in a like, one in a comment does get a $15 cash up for me, just because I love you guys. Let's turn the bell notification on. Let's get started. Now, everything that should come in this box, once again, is going to be your little Jordan sticker and just the papers. We don't have extra laces with these. Now, here they are both out of the box. Look at that color really popping off. Now, I have really good lighting in here, but let's go ahead and start with our quality control check for our GS pairs. You know, we've had problems in the past with GS pairs being terrible quality control. Go back to Red Thunder 4's quality control on GS, and it was absolutely horrendous. But let's check out these. As we're getting in close, you can see they're actually looking pretty good. You know, this material is easy to mess up, too. If we had Fire Reds back in the day, they were pretty bad too, but these are looking good, man. That's spot on. Now, I know a lot of people don't like that Jumpman on the back. I know that, but this is quality control check. We'll go on that here in a second. So there was all the way around the shoe. I'm not really seeing scuffs. Glue stains are hard to see because it's a white leather all the way around, so it's hard to see those glue stains. So that's a W on that right there. Now we're going on to our left shoe. Yeah, man, they're looking pretty spot on. Looking super solid for a GS pair of 4s, and I'm super excited with it. Let's go ahead and start reviewing it and everything going on. So our leather all the way around the shoe. Got that nice soft leather on that shoe. It's very similar to your Midnight Navy 4s. If you have a pair of those, it's about the exact same. We do have white caging, which is always a concern for me because, you know, the white caging on this, they will start to yellow out as you wear them and as they get older, but that's not that big of a deal. Now right here with the wings and the midsole and then on the back tab, we do have this nice bright red black cement splattered paint on there, as you can see, and they actually look really good. I didn't know if I was going to like this color when I got them in, because, you know, when we see them online, we don't always see the best quality photos. We don't know what they're going to look like when we actually get them in hand. Now, this is a good surprise. This is a very, very good surprise. I like the red colorway on this. It's going to go well. All the red ties in very well with our Jumpman tag here, so it just really makes that shoe pop off. And then we do have the eyelets. I love how the eyelets are black with the inside sock liner being black too, along with the black all the way around out here on the outsole, which is really nice. It's a good combo with this. The color combo is amazing on here. Now, they do come laced up with white laces, as you can see. I think I'll keep white laces, but of course, I'm going to try a relace when I get my pair, because I'll be getting a pair for myself. I'm going to try black laces to see if it kind of pops off. Let me know what lace you're going to go with on these, because I always like to see what you guys like to lace your shoes with. Now, as you can see on the inside, we have the Jumpman logo on the insole, and that's what you're going to have coming from here. Now, as you can see, as we zoom in, like I said, on that white leather, it's actually pretty good. I'm enjoying the white leather. There's really nothing about this shoe I don't like. I mean, the leather quality is where it needs to be. That's what we've been asking for. We want better leather quality. They were $160 for the GS pair. Men's pairs are $210, so just know that they're a little bit more expensive. That's just how it's been recently. $210 for the men's, $160 GS. Once again, they do come out on September 9th, and I think you guys should definitely grab this. It'd be a great Jordan 4. Now, when it comes to sizing on Jordan 4s, for me, I go true to size. I go true to size, but I have a narrow foot. If you do have a wide foot, you have to have size up on the Jordan 4s, or your pinky toe is going to be screaming for some help because it's going to be too tight in there, and your feet are going to hurt walking around on these. Now, overall, with this shoe, I feel like it is going to do pretty well in the aftermarket. If you have them now, I recommend you do sell them now because you have them a whole month early. I personally am probably going to let go of this GS pair early, and then when drop comes, they're going to come down in price a little bit more. I'm definitely going to grab GS pairs of these because it's such a good colorway, and I'm going to grab men's pairs, of course, because I think this has a lot of potential. These are very similar to your Fire Red 4s, and those are doing amazing, and people love them. And these, I had Fire Red 4s in. I had to return them. They were so bad from quality control. It literally looked like someone played ball on the toe box of mine. So I was like, man, I sent them back. Believe it or not, back when Fire Reds came out, because they were just that bad. So I think this definitely has potential to do Fire Red numbers, but it's going to take some time. Not right away. I definitely think they're going to go really, really low after drop, because I expect to see a lot of pairs. I think our shock drop did have around 60,000 pairs. Thank you, Kick, for providing those stock numbers on that. Always nice to see the stock numbers, but we always take stock numbers with a grain of salt, but that is what we saw within the monitors. But guys, overall, I love the shoe. I'm so happy I got it early. Shout out to Nike for actually having super, super quick shipping. I was actually shocked on that. I didn't expect Nike to ship that quick, especially with a shock drop. Usually we wait a week or two. They got it to me in the same freaking week, dog. The same week. That is wild. So I'm super excited with that. Hopefully Nike keeps it up like that. I doubt it, but you know, I'm just happy on this one. But overall, guys, I give this shoe probably like an 8.5 out of 10. There's a lot that I really like about this. I want to try some different laces, and I can't wait to get my pair. Let me know, are you going to tow a pair, or are you going to sell a pair? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for being here. Like always, one random like, one random comment does get a $15 cash app for me. All you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that bell notification's on, all right? Hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!